Hello, we are here in the Wendy office again this morning. We have Willow here with us. And as you can see, the space is starting to fill in a little bit. We're going to do some collaborations here with all of the companies and partners that want to come on in and kind of show their stuff and see what Wendy can do to help them. And in this space here, we're going to have a bunch of robots. We have these 2 robot cars. We're going to have some drones in here as well. So you might see some netting in the ceiling in a little bit from now. Don't mind the trash. We're moving in. And yeah, we're really excited to have some people here. Oh, there's Willow. Our studio room is still up and running. We're kind of building into it more and more every day, making some edits as we need. But yeah, we're excited to have you in office whenever you can come join us.
Okay.
Here's one of the drones that we're building currently. It's about midway done, so there's still some progress to be made. We need to order some parts, but that'll be flying around here soon. It's very exciting.